Welcome to my Growthife High-Tech AI Tools Gadgets channel. How to use FreeFlow AI Style Prompts Image Generator Tool. New era of AI Growthife. AI image prompts for Midjourney, DALL-E, Stable Diffusion FreeFlow.ai. FreeFlow is a free service to jumpstart AI image creation with curated, beautiful, reusable styles. You can use our styles in your favorite image generator, be it Midjourney, Stability or Firefly. Copy the prompt, swap the subject and drop it into your favorite generator. All completely free. New styles drop every week for every type of image you need. Whether you are captivated by a particular style or have a distinct vision for a creative project, you can now create impressive images without the need for expert artistic skills or AI prompt engineering expertise. In a few simple steps using our AI style prompts, you can create awe-inspiring images that can be used time and time again for any creative endeavor. Thank you for watching video. New Tech AI Tool updated more videos. Subscribe like this channel.